This crustless apricot tart is so good. First, start with some almond flour, some all-purpose flour, and sift it together. Add some sugar and stir that in, and then pulse it up a little bit in a food processor. Then add butter. I cut up the butter into chunks so that it would process quicker, and then process that. Add 1 egg yolk and 1 whole egg, a little bit of almond extract, a little salt, and some lemon zest. Pulse that up, and you have what's called your frangipane. Now spread the frangipane into a buttered baking dish, and that will be serve as your crust, so to speak. Now once that's spread out evenly, slice up some apricots. Just make sure you get those pits out, and then just slice them and arrange them in a fashion on top of the frangipane. I just did mine in circles, but you can do it any way you wish. It's all beautiful and really tasty. So bake that up at 350 for 35 minutes. And while that's cooking, make a glaze of some water and some apricot jam. When it comes out, while it's still warm, spread the glaze over the tart, and you have a wonderful apricot tart.